Net worth is defined as total assets minus total liabilities. It is one of the simplest measures of financial health of an individual or of an organization. This net worth calculator will help you determine your net worth, and it will also tell you how much of your assets are liquid, how much of it are partially liquid, and how much are illiquid. So for any asset or investment, we look at the risk associated with it, we look at the return associated with it, we look at the tax that we need to pay. Just like that, we also need to look at how liquid the investment is. That is, how quickly can you redeem from the investment at a fair market value. So investments like money kept in a savings bank account, in a current account, or liquid mutual funds, they are fully liquid. You can always redeem anytime you want. You can get the entire money back. Investments like PPF or EPF, they are partially liquid because there are rules on when you can redeem and how much you can redeem. Investments like real estate are typically considered to be illiquid because it's hard to redeem quickly at a fair market price. So this net worth calculator has got two panels. On the left panel, you can enter your total assets. You can see some typical assets are named here, and the type of liquidity is also mentioned. You can always change the type of liquidity from liquid to partially liquid to illiquid for any asset that you see, depending on your actual investment, and you can enter the money that you hold currently in all these assets. For real estate, we recommend that the house that you actually live in is not considered to be part of the net worth, because the house you live in is treated as a consumable and not an asset. So we recommend not including that in the net worth calculation, but any real estate that you hold for investment purpose can be used in the calculation. On the right panel, you have the total liabilities. So you have things like what is your outstanding home loan, car loan, personal loan, credit card dues, etc., etc. So once you enter all these numbers, you can go ahead and calculate the net worth. It will tell you the net worth. It will tell you the total assets that you have, the total liabilities, and what is the debt to assets ratio. And it will tell you how much of your assets are liquid, how much of it is partially liquid, and how much of it is illiquid.